How to view TikTok profile without them knowing. Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can view the TikTok profile without other people knowing. So let's get into it. First of all, you have to open your TikTok application. So after you got your application open, here you can see you have a couple of options that you can go into. What I need you to do is basically open your profile from the bottom right corner. Just click on that and you are going to get into your profile. Now, TikTok has basically allowed this option where you can see which person and which profile has basically seen your profile. So you can see all the names of the persons who have visited your profile. So if you want to see other people's profile and you don't want them to know that, and then what you need to do is basically click on this small footstep icon on just right above your profile picture, extremely to the right. Here you can see this is what I was talking about. Just click on that. You are going to get all the profile views. You can see all the people who have basically seen your profile in the past 30 days. So if you just go on and you can click on this option of turn on. Here you can see now it is turned on. Now I can see all the people who have visited my profile. If you have visited their profile or not, what you need to do is you have to click on the settings and you can basically turn this off. If you turn this off, neither you can see who have visited your profile and nor the other people are going to see that if you have visited their profile. So this is how basically you can turn it off. This is how basically you can prevent other people knowing that you have visited their profile. This was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up and I will see you guys in the next video. Take good care and bye bye.